What's up guys, Caleb here. Welcome back to another video. And today I'm pretty excited. We got some variables. So let's get right into it. So first off, what we're going to do, we're going to head over to this Explorer tab. And then we're going to find the server script service. And we're at a script. Here we go. Like I said, this print statement's always here. So I just Control Alt, delete it, get rid of it. I don't think I've ever had a code. I'm just yapping. Let's get into it. Today we got variables. So what is a variable to begin with? So a variable is something that holds objects. An object could be okay, a string, an integer, a double, and a boolean. Caleb, what are you talking about? Let me explain. I'll go over them right now. So defining your first variable. So first, Roblox uses a keyword called local, and you're probably like, why is it local? I'm going to go over that in a separate video, but for now, just know that the syntax is local, and you know that it is because it's a keyword. It's highlighted red, not the squiggly marks. That's because it's just a standalone word, but it's a keyword because it's highlighted red. And then what you want to do next is you want to name your variable. So in this case, we'll just name this one my var. You'll see me abbreviate a lot. Coders do that because typing out variables is too much time, too much wasted tapping. And then what you want to do next, so now that we have the local and then my var, the name, we want to set equal to something. Simply equal sign. So now we are ready to input some data into this variable. So the first data type I want to talk about is string. A string is any character, simply anything surrounded by quotations. This is a string. That's a string. Anything surrounded by quotation marks is a string. True. You can use the double ones or the single ones. I use double because I see them better, but single ones is probably typer because you don't gotta shift it. But anything surrounded by quotations is a string. So we'll keep this here. Next, talk about integers. So integers is any whole numeric value. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, all the way up to a million. We'll call this one number. I don't like that. Number. 1, 2, 3, -1, stuff like that. Any number value that's whole. That's very important. So we'll keep this one 10. Next, we have a Boolean. Now you're like, that sounds complicated. Well, there's only two things you gotta remember for Boolean. That's true and false. That's what a Boolean is. It holds a true or false value, which you can test and run in your game. You can see something's true, see something's false. Pretty cool. That's all you gotta remember. True and false. All lowercase. And you know this is a keyword. Well, that it's a Boolean, it's bolded. Same with your integers. They have this little format. Same with strings. They're all green. Next, last is doubles. Also referred to as floats. I'm going to call them doubles because that's what I'm comfortable with. If you want me to call them floats, comment, tell me. I'll start calling them floats. Doubles are any decimal point value. So we'll call this double. So that'll be like 10.0 or 10.0, 10.1, 1.0, 0.0, anything that has a decimal point in it, 0.0, stuff like that. Those are doubles. And yeah, those are variables. They store stuff too. And that's it. They store data objects and they store stuff. They're really useful. So you don't got to keep referring to something. So now I can call my var. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to print my var. And if we go ahead and we run that, it should print. That's right. This is a string. Prints this, and you can print all of these too. If I wanted to print 10, it'll print 10. False, 0.0. I think you guys get the point. But yeah, those are variables. Like I said, I'll go over this keyword here, local. But just for now, know that that's how you make a variable. thing is too with these tutorials, watching the tutorials is great, but I see a lot of benefit in just doing this now. So if you guys want, make some variables, get get crazy, put some strings and doubles and all that. Just practice doing it. Just get used to the syntax. But that's all I got. Next video, I'm gonna go over starting a function, basic functions. I'm not gonna worry about anything else yet. But yeah, until next time, have a good one.